These type of emotional AI videos are trending on YouTube right now. Take a look at this channel. It has gained more than 2 million subscribers, and his videos are getting 115, 110, and 80 million views. So today I will show you how you can create these type of emotional videos using AI. First, I had designed a master prompt for you. You will find its link in description. Copy the whole prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then GPT will provide us 10 different topic ideas. For example, I am going with 10th one. Then GPT will provide us the character prompts for that video, each scene image prompt and related video prompt. Copy the first character prompt. Now open Flow AI. Here choose Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and paste the prompt here. And hit Generate. And look, our taxi driver image is ready. Now copy the second character image prompt and paste it here. And our second character image is also ready. Now add both the images as reference. Copy the first scene image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. And look, our first scene image is ready. Now click Create Video. Choose Frames to Video. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Copy the related video prompt from GPT and paste it here. Hit Generate. And just like that, our first scene is ready. Save it. And using the same way, generate all the 4 scenes. Once you have all the scenes ready, open your editing software, import all the clips, arrange them in correct order, add some cuts and transitions, and your video's ready, and that's it. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are provided in the description, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.